It's your boy, J Flame, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me since day one, man. All my people.
Yeah.
Been there with me.
I seen my daddy hit my mama.
Growing up, GMU 1, GMU 2. It took a minute, baby, but we here making y'all cop that, man. All major platforms. GMU music, bitch.
So don't never think I switched up, I'm still wild. Keep pushing what they telling me. Bitch, I got 9 misdemeanors, no felony. And I don't regret shit I did. I don't blame nobody, cause it is what it is. I was selling weed out of KT. I lived a hard knock life like I'm Jay-Z. But I rose from the concrete. You think I'm lying about my life? Better come see. See, as a child, I was running wild. Got introduced off to this lifestyle. So many problems, I can't even sleep.
Two on the way. Hey, y'all already know, man. European look.
And I be trying to live right, but I'm just living right.
I do not fuck with you new niggas, man. I've been with my day one since day one. Family full of kings, nigga. Loyalty and royalty, yeah.
I don't fuck with new niggas, I don't fuck with you niggas. Family full of hustlers, family full of killers. Money over bitches, where your loyalty? Team full of kings, bitches, royalty. I don't fuck with new niggas, I don't fuck with you niggas. Family full of hustlers, family full of killers. Money over bitches, where your loyalty? Team full of kings, bitches, royalty. I got all my niggas, I got all my niggas. And all my niggas loyal, ain't no poppin', nigga. Mention one of mine, we get it poppin', nigga. Summertime, 95, bodies droppin', nigga.
Mr. Hitman.
And music too. You already know we work.
OTW.
On the way.
OTW, on the way.
On the way.
OTW.
Hashtag.
OTW, hashtag Gym music too. TWO.
Not the number 2, but TWO.
TWO, baby, we on the way. With new niggas, don't fuck with you niggas. Family full of hustlers, family full of killers. Money over bitches, where your loyalty? Team full of kings, bitches, finally made it. They see me doing better, but they ain't proud of me. In every city that I hit, the whole crowd love me. Been in this game so long, I done paid my dues. When bosses talk, I was listening. Yeah, I listen, Q. And yo, I listen too. About who they dissing, dude. You mention my name, you get your issue too. And I know you listening, Root. Oh, I'm sorry, Shay, but the year we lost, I swear to God, I almost lost my face. Called you a bitch, and at the time I probably meant it, but you changed. But I know you wanted change cause of Biggie, and we missed that little girl too. She was my little girl too. You lost 1 and gained 7, I give you my little girls too. I give you the whole world too. Ain't forget about what I said, I'm sorry and I love you. Mama, you ain't got the bag, surround myself with better energy. I need a better vibe and family over everything. I swear I do this shit, I finally made it. I'm in a better space. Shit, I earned stripes on the battlefield, cause I done lived life on the battlefield, yeah. See, as a child, I was running wild. Got introduced off to this lifestyle. So many problems, I can't even sleep. Growing up in these main streets, my mama telling me to go to church, but I keep having dreams about her. And I be trying to live right, but I'm just living my life. See, as a child, I was running wild. Got introduced off to this lifestyle. So many problems, I can't even sleep. Growing up in these mean streets, my mama telling me to go to church, but I keep having dreams about her. And I be trying to live right, but I'm just living my life.
Whatever you want. Thinking about your body on my body's got me hot. I can't wait for you to come and touch my favorite spot. Like it when I hear your voice in my ear, you're turning me on. The things that I'm gon' do to you when I get you alone. You can call me GP. Let me be your free. You be making me weak. Keep on talking bad, we just wanna talk to you all night. Give it to you on sight. Oh yeah, oh you just my type. My type. Do whatever you like. Oh yeah, yeah. Take conversation. Keep conversation. Yeah, you just my type. I do whatever you like. Yeah.
And we're live. GM Music 2. When I say I got some straight liquor in this cup, no ice. No motherfucking chaser, nigga. Straight gin, nigga. I would like to welcome y'all to the GM Music 2. This some new shit. This shit better than power right here, baby. So tune in.